Welcome everyone to the TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this video of TechLog, I will be showing you how to recover your SoundCloud account password. So for that, open the SoundCloud application at first. Here tap on I already have an account. On this piece over here, what you need to do is tap on forgot your password. It will direct you to the recovery process. Now for the recovery process, you need to first type in your email address. Type in your email address and then tap on reset my password. Check your email for instruction about how to change password. Now you go and check the email. Tap upon your Gmail. There's the mail from SoundCloud. Tap upon that. You can see the line over here. Click here to change your password. You tap on here and it will direct you to the another link. Here you will be able to provide a new password for your SoundCloud account. Type in the new password. Retype the same new password on the below text box for the confirmation. And then tap on save. And with that, the recovery process of the SoundCloud is completed and therefore you have been logged in as well.